Here's how to import photos from your connected iPhone. So I'm using my iPhone, I'm connecting it to my computer via the USB cord, and that's typically the same as your charger cord. So you can just unplug it from the outlet part and then put it into your computer. And you see here on the left that I have this iPhone device. And you also see that I have the EOS digital SD card from a previous lecture about importing from the camera. If Photos doesn't open automatically to import, what you can do is just open Photos and then see what devices are connected. And then you can click on it and it opens all the photos from that device. If you want it to open automatically, just select the device and check this box up there and it will automatically open in the future. But now I can go through and I can select all the photos that I've taken with my phone. So here, little winter adventure in Southern California and photos, and then just import just like before. Or you can select all of them. And the cool thing is that Photos knows which ones are new items, which ones aren't. And so all the ones that appear are new photos. So you don't have to worry about duplicating any old photos. So pretty easy just to import photos from a phone that's connected. And depending on your Wi-Fi signal and everything like that, it's probably a lot faster to do it this way if you have a lot of photos rather than doing it via iCloud or another method like that.